Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming key prerequisites: a stable battery and a code reader. First, check battery voltage. Low voltage makes idle hunting worse. Next, plug in a scan tool, read freeze frame data, and write down codes. Immediately perform a vacuum leak check. Listen and use starter fluid or propane carefully, because intake leaks directly raise idle. Also inspect PCV and intake hoses and make sure the throttle body can move freely. Once these basics are secure, move to sensors and idle components. Once done with leaks, tackle sensors and the throttle assembly. You should remove and clean the mass airflow sensor using the correct cleaner. Let it dry fully. Then, clean the throttle body and the idle air control or electronic throttle plate. Carbon restricts airflow and fools idle logic. While you reassemble, monitor live sensor data. Compare MAP, TPS, and coolant temperature against expected ranges. If readings are out, replace or repair wiring. Once sensors read correctly, you'll be ready to adapt the idle. You finish by forcing the ECU to relearn idle parameters. Follow the specific relearn. Some cars need key-on cycles, others need a warm idle plus a scan tool command. Do that now. If idle stays high, methodically disconnect sensors one at a time while watching RPM to isolate the culprit and make sure there are no hidden vacuum leaks. Finally, clear codes and reset ECU memory, then road test. If problems remain, the single best troubleshooting tip: recheck for an intake or vacuum leak. Those are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.